Hey, it's Jim Carson here from Blackstock Ford. I'm with Shane Sheldon, and he's picking up this gorgeous 2022 Super Duty Diesel FX6. But Shane, not your first truck, is it?
No.
Tell us a little bit about what you've had from us and what custom trucks are to you.
I've had a 2015 F-350 Platinum, and then I went to the F-450 dually, and now back to the F-350 Platinum with a 6-inch lift. My dream truck.
Well, and you always build the most gorgeous trucks, and I remember we were just talking. First time we met, I took you and your wife out in a supercharged Venom Mustang.
Yes.
And the next thing you know, your wife did what?
She put a supercharger in her F-150.
And that's the Dakar package.
Yes. Yes. Gorgeous truck. She still loves it.
And, we got to try and change that. We got to get her to love a new one.
I know. That's what I keep trying.
Really appreciate your patience, but as you can see in the pictures here, this truck just turned out gorgeous. The Fabtech 6-inch lift. The fuel wheels with the red accents are the perfect match to the paint. Those are the Air Design fender flares that we've been big fans of.
Yes, they're nice.
They don't wear through the paint. You get the mud guards there. So I just wanted to just ask you a few questions about it. And I know you're so proud of your truck, and you should be, because it's drop dead gorgeous. And we're really proud to have you as a customer. And you're just a fantastic guy. So we all really enjoy dealing with you. So thanks for being patient, and enjoy that new truck. And
no problem.
Burn rubber, baby.
Awesome.
Thanks a lot, Shane.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I love you guys. You guys have been awesome for me. And that's why I like coming back in here, and I finally got to deal with Ross. And this is the second time now dealing with Ross. He's a great salesman. He helps me out every way he can. And the service department has always been there for me. Never had any problems. You guys deal with everything, and it's great.
I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Shane. It means a lot to hear that.
Awesome. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.